children, welcome to my maths class. Okay, today we are going to continue with this exercise 1.7. Okay, the previous class we have done till question number 8. Okay, now question number 9, write the smallest and the greatest two-digit numbers without repeating a digit, okay, from the following digits. Okay, they have given digits, three numbers. Okay, from this we have to write the smallest and greatest two-digit numbers. Okay, first one, which is the smallest here? 365. Okay, so in this 3, 5. Okay, 3 and 5 is the smallest number. Okay, two-digit number. Okay, next, which is the greatest number? Greatest number is 65. Okay, 65 is the greatest number. Okay, next, second B part, 207. Okay, I already told you that you should not take 0 in the first place. Okay, so we have to take the next smallest number, that is 207. Okay, 2 in 207, which is the smallest number? We have to take only two digits number. Okay, 20 is the smallest number and the greatest number will be 72. Okay, this I have already explained, smallest and greatest number, how to take. Okay, so I am not explaining in detail. Okay, next, write the smallest and the greatest three-digit numbers by changing the positions of the digits if need arises in the following numbers. Okay, here in this question what we have to do, we have to write the smallest and the greatest three-digit numbers. Okay, we can change the positions, but we have to write only three-digit numbers. Okay, first 439. Okay, 439 we have to change the place. Okay, places we can change. Okay, now after changing the place, which is the smallest three-digit number? Okay, see this 439 in this, which is small 3. Okay, first we will write 3. After 3, which is the next one, 4, 9. Okay, so 349 will be the smallest three-digit number in this, and the next greatest three-digit number will be, which is this big number. Greatest means we have to take it from the descending order, that is big to small. Okay, so we have to take the first digit, that is 9, greatest number. Okay, after that the next will be 4, next 3. Okay, 943 is the greatest three-digit number and 349 will be the smallest three-digit number. Okay, next 805. Okay, in 805, which is the smallest three-digit number? 508. Okay, we should not take a 0 in the first place. Okay, so the next number will be 5. Okay, 508 will be the smallest three-digit number. Okay, next the greatest three-digit number will be 850. Okay, 850. Okay, next question number 11. Okay, write the smallest and the greatest four-digit numbers by changing the positions of the digits if need arises in the following numbers. What we have to do, we have to write the smallest and greatest four-digit numbers. Okay, we have to change the positions. We can change the positions also. Okay, first number 7650. Okay, in this the smallest number, what is the smallest number? They start from the small number. This will be the small number 1. Okay, in this 1 is small number. Okay, after that what is the next small number? 5. After 5 the next number will be 6. Okay, after 6 the next small number will be 7. Okay, so the smallest number is 1567. Okay, write it in you have to write these numbers in the ascending order, that is small to big, so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, Next, the greatest number, we have to start with the big number, which is big number here, 7. Okay. After that, which is the next big number, 6. Okay. After 6, the next number will be 5. And the last number will be 1. Okay. 7651 is the greatest number and 1567 is the smallest number here. Okay. Next, 3508. Okay, 3508. First we have to write the smallest, then we will go for the greatest number. Okay, so in this smallest number, first number, which is the small number here, we should not take 0 in the first place. So the next small number will be 3. Okay, 3. Okay, after 3, second place we can put 0. Okay, the second place we have written 0. After 0, next 5. Okay, after 5, 8. Okay, 3058 will be the smallest number, 4-digit number. Okay, next, the greatest number we have to write, 4-digit number. Okay, in this, which is big number, 8 is big number. Okay, after 8, which is the next big number, 5. Okay, next, 3. And the last one, 0. Okay, 8530 is the greatest number and the smallest number is 3058. Okay, with this we are completing the exercise and the chapter also. Okay, in the next video we will start the new chapter. Okay, that's all for today. Please do like and subscribe my channel.